this is the Finance 451 backtesting project, and as you can see here, I have pulled a good bit of data from Bloomberg from roughly 100 different companies seen here in this column. And my hypothesis for this backtesting strategy is that a higher ROE will yield a higher earning per share. And as you can see here, we have the GAAP EPS current year shown in this column. And we have the return on equity as seen here shown in this column. And what we're going to do to test this hypothesis is run a regression where the ROE is going to be the independent variable or x-axis, and the earnings per share is going to be the dependent variable or y-axis. And to make this a little cleaner, I have moved these two columns to a new sheet. So here is where we're going to run our regression. Start in cell A90. Go to data, regression, okay. Clear this. So in our Y range, we need our dependent variable, which is going to be the earnings per share. Wrong. The Y range, earnings per share. And for the X range, we need our independent variable of ROE. And since we included the labels, we do need to check labels. And our output range is going to be cell A90. Okay. And there is our regression. So our first step is to look at these. And as you can see here, there is a positive relationship between ROE and EPS. And next is to look at the t-stat. And as seen here, t-stat is greater than 1.65, significantly greater than 1.65. So that means it is significant. So right here, this is telling us that there is statistical evidence that a high ROE leads to a high EPS, and a low ROE would lead to a lower EPS because the two are positively correlated. So we do find statistical evidence that a higher ROE would lead to a higher EPS. The hypothesis is confirmed.